just woke up, packed all my last things together. Electronics, obviously, because they were charging all night. Put on my plane outfit, packed my personal item, and I just kissed Brian goodbye. And now I'm going to drive to the airport. Isn't it creepy when you get in your car and they're like, are you headed to Detroit Metro Airport? Get there in 34 minutes. And it's like, yes, I am. And that's really creepy. So normally if I had a flight that boarded at 5 a.m., I probably would have stayed the night at the airport if I was with anyone else. Just because relying on other people to wake up at 3 a.m. and be out the door by 3:15 isn't always the case. But I know that I can do it, so I went ahead and decided to drive in the morning. The roads are totally clear, nobody's on it, and it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and park my car the entire time, and yeah, it'll be good. I just tried to film my bag going up the escalator, and then the whole thing fell down. And then the whole thing came tumbling down. It was really embarrassing. Headed to pre-check. This is the line for Southwest to drop your bags. It is free to bring on 2 checked bags, so most people do it, and then you have to wait in this really long line, and I don't want to, so I have a carry-on. This is the line for security, maybe like 40 people, and there's nobody in line at pre-check. The lounge is closed. This is where I could be right now. Opens at 6 a.m. I think my flight leaves at 6:20. So that's kind of a bummer. So instead, knowing that the lounge was going to be closed because I looked into it, I brought my own snacks. I will fill up my water, and I'm just gonna walk the airport because I'm about to fly quite a bit of the day. So might as well walk while I can, right? So let's play what's in my bag. You guys already saw what's in my carry-on luggage because you all watched my packing video. I know that, but this is my personal item. It is the Beis Mini Work Tote in black crocodile, although it is vegan leather. So obviously my passport, my yellow vaccine card, my COVID vaccine card, I have my global entry, I have my priority pass, I also have my marriage license because my passport says my maiden name and my driver's license says my married name. So just to get rid of any confusion, I bring that with me. Look at how nicely it's all packed though. I do have this little sarong slash pashmina that I can have as a blanket on the plane if I get cold. I have my plane bag, which if you've ever seen any of my packing videos, you know that this is what I put right in front of me on the plane with all the essentials that I need, like hand sanitizer, gum, headphones, pens, that sort of thing. I have my word search book that I always travel with. I have my iPad because I am flying Southwest this leg of the trip and they don't have seatback entertainment, so I downloaded a bunch of movies to watch. Of course, if I want to get my work done, I do have my laptop. I have snacks. such as gummy worms that I got at the gas station about 20 minutes ago, because if you want gummy worms here at the airport, it's like $5, but here they were $2. And then these are almonds from Frankenmuth. I have my prescription sunglasses for when I step off the plane in sunny California and I'm like, oh my God, I need to be able to see. I have an empty water, which I need to go ahead and fill to bring on the plane with me. Typically, I would bring a nice refillable thing that's not plastic, but I left my favorite water bottle at work, so I forgot to grab it. And then this little nifty thing comes out. It does snap into place, but it does come out, which I love. And here I have my little travel wallet. I have the wedding invitation, just in case we forget where it is. I have baby wipes, because you never know when you're gonna need it. My portable charger, because these planes do not have chargers on them. This is for my computer, so I can work on this vlog. Obviously my car keys, and then extra batteries for this camera. I like this work tote to bring to work, but this work tote for travel probably isn't the best. Honestly, I just brought it on this trip to really kind of show you guys. It's a little bit small. This is the mini version of it. So I think the other one is way too big for normal everyday life. I want to just bring my laptop and my purse and some other things literally to work on the go. This is a perfect size. My favorite feature though is just like all the rest of the base bags, trolley onto your bag, because this can tend to get a little bit heavy and it just fits right on your bag. I can say I'm not very pleased with how Mr. Away bag has gotten scuffed already. It's literally been on a trip for like 5 minutes and he's already super scuffed. So I have landed in Baltimore. I have exactly 1 hour now that I've gotten off of the plane before I start boarding on my next flight. And the good lounge here is in Concourse D, and I landed in Concourse A, and there's actually no way to get to D without going outside of security, which I'm not gonna do. But they do have something called Minute Suites here that I have access to with my Platinum card. So let's go ahead and check that out. So this is my suite, the Minute Suite. A TV, little desk area, mirror, couch/bed. And yeah, I mean, it's really tiny, but I get 1 hour for free. There's so many things you could do in this room. You could edit a video, you could do your word search, you could take a nap, you could have a dance party, you could hang upside down, you could work out, you could eat gummy worms, you could watch season 2 of Outer Banks, you can play on your phone, you can even curl your hair. This place is kind of cool. I think I like it even better than a lounge. And Brian is really missing out. So right now I'm on a mini layover in Denver, and Denver has a Centurion lounge and I have access to it. However, I was only allowed off the plane for like 15 minutes. So I ran over to Centurion Lounge just to look at it. All right, I landed. My sister already landed and she said she's at the bar and that you can't miss her because it's a very small airport. So let's look.
Cheers. Ryan and Dana. You too. Okay, neighbor. This is me. You hear me?
lime trees for tequila. This airport's so cute. We're just trying to get an Uber. There's literally only 4 gates. It's adorable.
There's 5 gates.
5
Lie.
gates. We definitely took the lime. Alright, so that was my travel day. It was really long. Again, I woke up at 3 a.m. was on a plane by 6 a.m. landed around 1 p.m. California time, which is like 4 p.m. Michigan time. Got to our Airbnb, went did a little grocery shopping, and then went and met up with family, and now it feels way too late with the time change, and I'm going to edit some video and go to bed because I'm sure we're going to be up super early in the morning, and we're going to go check out Santa Barbara, and I'll give you guys a proper Airbnb tour then. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.